Throwing bands tonight, shawty throwing bands tonight, throwing bands tonight.
It's recording.
Alright, man, we got a special guest today. Man said next time he put him on the court, he wasn't doing no more talking, man. Get the camera to him, dog. Address yourself.
Man.
Huh?
Get it going, buddy. They about to find out who I am.
Huh? They don't know who you are.
They about to find it out.
They about to find out. Man.
I said, damn.
My bad.
Nigga, like I'm playing.
It's your boy Young Denzel, supposed to go out the press. I'm about to get this done real quick on this phone, nigga.
Hey, Paul, you about to fold him like a presser?
That's fine.
What?
I didn't say that. Games to 11. 1s and 2s. Oh, we guard up, dog.
Damn.
Don't have to. That's the best thing.
It's about to be a long day for Ern.
You ain't got to
3-0. Yeah, 4-0.
And I'm editing this video, and it's clearly 5-0. This nigga cheating. What's going on here?
Six 0. Eight 0.
Bro, before I even continue this tape, just look at what he just did, bro. Let me replay it. Just look at that. Do you think that's going in? Let's find out.
Nine 0. Not 9-1, my bad. Sorry. 9-1.
Game. Come on, stop playing with me, my nigga. See, 11? Now you don't know the score.
Yeah, he scored a 2,
The
yo.
cameraman didn't know neither.
Yeah, I did. It was. I said 9-0 and then switched it to 9-1.
4-0? He said yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, you ain't know the score. Good game, bro. Did you want a rematch or something? All right, part 2, man.
Four minutes and 26 seconds.
We got time for another one? Delete that first video. Yeah?
Stop it. Get some help.
You got time for another one? Might put some AdSense on this.
Two O earn. Man, fucking flat ass flies.
Bruh.
Damn. Twos. Four two.
What's this man? No.
6-2.
Here it is. Found it out.
Damn. 8-2.
Ain't no cut here. Ain't no cut. Ain't no cut. This ain't fluke.
Not 2. All my niggas don't go. None of my niggas don't go.
Stop!
10-2. Game point.
Keep it. Damn.
He say on respected 3, yo.
Three?
Yeah, he say on respected. Look at that. Look at all that space. Look at all that space, yo. He disrespectful. Damn, maybe got a reason why not to respect it.
9 points, bro. Fuck no.
Alright, you better step out on that, yo. 10 to you.
Huh?
10 to you.
Done? You get tired already?
My man got the Gatorade symbol by his feet, yo.
Oh, geez. Right there, too. Come on, man. Tell this man to play some D, dog. No calling.
Woo!
What you gotta say, man? You pulling up on me like that?
Good game, man. Everybody have a bad day, man. Yeah.
Like, it's what he say every time. What's the good day gonna come out here?
There you go.
Alright, man. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I'm not even sure if I enjoyed this because my man, he ain't taking it serious right now. But either way, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. Man, it's your boy Young Denzel, man. For the girl like a press, so we out.
I don't know how to cut this bitch off.